You ask for help, they laugh. You do it yourself, they hate. People just don't want to see you win in this world, and that's a problem that we have in this society nowadays. You ask for help, whether that's someone going through depression, anxiety, stress, anything. They want help starting their business. You ask for help, people laugh at you, make fun of you, say you crazy. That's a problem that I said we have in society nowadays. People just do, and they don't care. They don't care to help nobody but themselves. And a lot of people are selfish nowadays, especially when it comes to you being depressed or upset. And that's why a lot of people hold in stuff that they go through. They hold it in within themselves, because if not, you look crazy when you ask for help. And I ain't gonna lie, that's what a lot of men go through in this world. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of men will reach out to their partner or talk to their partner about certain things, and it's like it's a disconnect there where they don't feel safe talking to their partner about things that they need or they don't like or they dislike. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's hard to communicate with people sometimes because, they, like I said, they don't want to see you win, or either that or they just don't care about you, right? And a lot of people just don't care about you, and that's the problem in this world. They're selfish, only care about themselves, only care about things that benefit them, right? And that's why a lot of people don't feel comfortable enough opening up. And also too, people go through things in silence, and people be like, why didn't they speak up about it? Why didn't they say nothing? Why are they coping this way? It's because when they did try to before, they got shut down. You know what I'm saying? They got shut down, they got made fun of, they laughed at you, right? You do it yourself, they hate. You learn something new by yourself, you feel me? It has new knowledge, how to start a business, you start your own business, they start hating on you now. It doesn't make sense. When I asked for help, you were laughing at me like I was a bum. Now I made it, did it by my own, you hating. It never makes sense. People never want to see you win. It's like, either way you do it in life, look, either way you do it in life, by yourself, with help, people are going to talk about you regardless. So you might as well do whatever it is you want to do in life. Whatever goals, things you want to reach, go after it. Don't slow down. Don't care who say anything, because they're going to talk about you regardless. That's what people do. They hate, talk bad about you, they laugh at you, they clown you like you nothing. You feel me? A couple videos back, I made a video, treat me like a joke, and I'll leave like it's funny. You know what I'm saying? That video is true. And it's the same thing with this video. Like, people will treat you like it's funny. They'll treat you like a joke, and then once you get up and leave, or you stop dealing with them, show them that they the joke, and show them what's really funny. You feel me? They start hating on you and start just making fun of you. Like, people gonna talk about you regardless. I don't know. That's just a problem in this world. Like, people talk and don't put in. They don't see all the work you did behind the scenes to get where you're at. You know what I'm saying? They just hate and talk about you, and it's like, it's dirty. It's a scary world we live in. A lot of people just hate for no reason, talk about you for no reason. Stupid. You know what I'm saying? But you just gotta focus on you. Focus on your goals in life, the things you want to do. Don't worry about other people got going on. You can only focus about your life and what you got going on. You know what I'm saying? Whatever things you want to reach, goals, all that. Don't slow down for nothing. Don't listen to nobody. Tune them out. Keep putting that hard work. Keep going. You know what I'm saying? That's all it really is in life. People gonna talk regardless. So do you. I can't tell y'all the amount of times I ask people to help me with certain things, to start a business or start simple things, and they don't want to help you because they see you as competition or a threat of trying to get past them or be better than them. You know what I'm saying? And it's sad that people even see you as competition instead of seeing you as a partner. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people see you as competition instead of a partner. That's what the issue is. That's why they don't want to help you. That's why they laugh at you or make fun of you or hate on you. They don't want you to be above them. You know what I'm saying? People want to see you good, but they don't want to see you above or better than them. And that's the selfish part about people in this world. You know what I'm saying? Best thing to do is lock in, focus on yourself. You know what I'm saying? You can ask for help if you want. I mean, you might get denied the help, or they might not give you full attention. Unless you got someone in your life that's pure, loving, and wants you to be the best and win, then that's a different story. Besides that, you can run into a lot of people that are selfish, don't give a damn. They just care about themselves, and they're not going to want to help you to the fullest. So the best thing to do is research and try to find out what you can do by yourself. You know what I'm saying? And yes, that's the best advice I can tell you. You know what I'm saying? But this end of the video, y'all, make sure that like button. Let me know how I enjoyed this video, man. Keep working, keep going, stay motivated, stay positive. You know what I'm saying? Positive affirmations, happy affirmations to yourself. You know what I'm saying? Positive things to yourself. Don't worry about a thing that someone got to say or try to do to you in life. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people try to make fun of you, talk about you, hate on you. It doesn't matter. Do what you want to do, reach your goals regardless. They talking or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of here for now, though. Check out my other videos. Peace.